G'day viewers, and welcome back to the channel. John here. If you remember my last video where I put on that I was going to get rid of the CF Moto 450, well, it's gone and it has been replaced, and I think I've found what I've been looking for pretty much the whole time, even before I got the 450, which is a bit more grunt, more comfortable, feels a lot lighter. It's certainly one colour that you can see on the road. I'm just wondering if anyone will guess what it is. And if you can see where I'm going, this is what it is here. It is a 2021 KTM 890 Adventure, and it has all the fruit on it. So we've got the tech pack, we've got the rally pack, we've got aftermarket exhaust, decat. You should hear this thing, it is bloody loud. So let's listen to this. Hear this thing go. Ooh-wee. Listen to that. That one. It's got everything. Bling kit. It came with a whole set of luggage as well. It is just so nice to have some extra power under your bottom, shall I say. So this is what we're filming with now. This is what's going to be joining us on the journeys, and now we're going to be able to go a lot further, hopefully, a lot quicker, a lot more comfortable, and a lot more easier. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. It starts from here. So hopefully the journeys will get better, longer. So stay tuned. The KTM and myself, we're going to try and get to some places that are a lot further from Adelaide than we were hoping to go, or trying to go, with the MT450. Even though I knew the MT450 would do it, there's lots of guys out there doing it on MT450s. Don't you worry about that. They're a great bike. I just feel more comfortable with this. Believe it or not, even though it's 6 or 7 kilos heavier, it actually feels lighter. And that is because all that weight is down low, all that fuel, and just to push around, do a U-turn on, everything. It is just lighter, and it's weird, but that's the way it is. The CF Moto for me was a bit top heavy, bit hard to maneuver around when you're going slow more than anything, in little tight spots. I haven't given this a good run yet, but it's coming. But so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because from now on, hopefully, this one, along with my Duke 890, yeah, we'll start hitting it pretty good now. All right. Cheers, guys.